Unwind Your Mind. Mastering, take one's mind off, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, take one's mind off. This expression is a fantastic tool in your language learning arsenal, helping you to talk about distraction, relief, and relaxation in a natural, idiomatic way. Let's explore how to use it effectively in various contexts and see some examples in action. Stay tuned to master this useful phrase. Take one's mind off is a phrase that means to distract oneself or someone else from thinking about something stressful, upsetting, or bothersome. It's all about shifting focus from something negative to something more pleasant or neutral. Imagine your mind is like a camera lens, and this phrase helps you to zoom out from a troubling thought and refocus on something that brings you peace or joy. It's a mental break, a way to help cope with stress or sadness. Using take one's mind off is straightforward. It often comes with the preposition of followed by the thing you're trying to distract from. Here's the basic structure. Take one's mind off plus something. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Listening to music can really take your mind off work. Let's go for a walk to take our minds off the news. She reads novels to take her mind off her worries. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to any subject pronoun, your, our, her, depending on who is being distracted. To make the most out of this phrase, let's look at some practical scenarios where take one's mind off can be especially useful. 1. During stressful times, I started painting to take my mind off the exams. 2. When dealing with loss or grief, spending time with friends can take your mind off the pain. 3. For relaxation and leisure, playing video games is a great way to take your mind off daily stress. In each of these situations, the phrase, take one's mind off, helps to convey the action of seeking and finding a distraction from something difficult or unpleasant. To get comfortable using take one's mind off, try these tips. Think about your own experiences. What do you do to distract yourself when you're feeling down or stressed? How would you describe that in English using take one's mind off? Create your own sentences. Practice writing or speaking sentences using this phrase. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you in conversations. Listen for it in context. Pay attention to TV shows, movies, or conversations in English where this phrase might be used. Contextual learning is one of the best ways to understand and remember new expressions. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use the phrase, take one's mind off, to talk about distractions, coping mechanisms, and finding relief from stress. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your conversations and help you express empathy and understanding towards others. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to take your mind off the learning process by enjoying the journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.